this might entice him to eat it, huh?
Yeah.
There you go.
Did you give Annie some?
Yep, I'm going to give it to her right now.
Alright.
There you go. Chris, nothing gets wasted in this house.
I'm not doing that.
Right, Chris?
I'm not doing that. Yes.
Ooh, look at him chowing
Don't
down.
tell him that because it's missing that one piece right there.
He's a hungry boy.
Yeah.
It is the first they've had that chicken in a while.
Chris.
Yeah, what is doing that, you know?
It's like a whole new food to them, you know it?
What?
I'm gonna call the video kind of satisfying.
No, you just exposed you got.
It's gonna be called kind of satisfying at kind of satisfying dog eating video.
Yeah, no.
It'd be a good advertisement for Nutrish, the dog food that they
Well,
eat.
it's not going to work because of all of us talking and all that, so it's not good.
That's right, he's just recording him while he's eating.
But I can just blur the voices out.
Yeah, you don't know how to do that.
I'm an
Stay-
editor. I
Stay back,
edit videos.
stay back over that way.
Can you send me? Wait. Chris,
What, Peanut?
if I send that video to my new phone, it would go to it. It would still go to not your phone, right?
Here we go. You have the phone, Peanut.
Yes. So then that works. Then I just gotta copy the video. I can keep the voices if I want.
No.
Just
Peanut.
He looks like an orphan. Do you need? Do you know what he's trying to do?
Peanut, what are you trying to prove with this video? Answer the question. What are you trying to prove with this video? Peanut.
after.
Chris is recording.
I'm just asking a simple question
I
here.
know, but he wants, for some reason, he wants to be quiet. I don't know.
What is it? Like
So that they can hear the satisfying.
No, they're like they eat
Chris, get
everything.
Annie.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to do.
We gotta go. Make it as satisfying as possible.
Yeah, you better know how to edit these voices out of this video then. You better know how to edit these voices out of this video then.